This is a review of a Bosch freestanding Classixx fridge freezer sent to me by AO.com. The delivery came on time. I got a text message giving me a 4-hour window and then a phone call 10 minutes before it turned up. It's got a nice flat front, handles are on the side. I changed which way the door opened. It was really quick just to move the hinges across from one side to the other. Only took a few minutes. Inside, nice big storage area in the fridge. Really deep shelves. With a nice big crisp box at the bottom for fruit and veg. Nice and deep, you can fit loads in there. Got a LED light at the top, really good illumination from that. Up on the top you've got your settings. Just a nice easy one button to press to change your temperature. I've got it set on 4 degrees. It's kept everything really nice and cold. The door has 3 shelves. Again, like the shelves, these are really deep. You can fit plenty in them. As you can see, when left to its own devices, likes to open really wide. Makes it nice and easy to get everything out. Down into the freezer. As you can see, this has been running for nearly a week now. Nice, not much frost, keeping everything really well frozen. Again, nice deep drawers, with the middle one having extra depth. The bottom one's not quite full size, but you can still fit plenty in there without any problems. All in all, we've had this running for a week now. Really nice and quiet. It does the job really well. Get the food nice. Would definitely recommend it.